Now I find this website, guys, which is crazy. This is how much I have earned with this one, and right now I'm gonna show you how it's done. It's so profitable that I couldn't believe it at start, but later I was amazed by the profits I was able to get. Trust me, it is simple, it's easy, and it works. So if you want to make some money, follow me along the video, and please like the video as well because it really helps. Now let's get started. First of all, guys, I want you to connect to Ibotta.com. This is a website which is gonna get you cash, guys, just real cash. Some cashbacks are here and we're gonna profit off of this big time. And I'm gonna show you the strategy in which you can get this one to work for you, and it's passive income each and every day for you guys. As you can see, they have a lot of features here, and this website is gonna make us money like crazy because we're gonna get it to the people who want sites like these. They want these cashbacks, they want to save some money for themselves, and that's what this website offers, guys. They offer cash back, and that's what people like these are looking for, and I'll show you exactly what I mean in seconds, guys. Just look at how it works. Just go on online shopping, for example, and you will here see that you've got everything. You are covered, guys. These guys will get you cash back wherever you do shopping. You can do it on your phone, you can do it on your computer, and just remember this information. You're gonna need it for the next steps, guys, because we are gonna go and do some affiliating for these guys. But of course, you can do some online shopping as well and get some real cash back for yourself if you do some shopping at Best Buy, at Walmart, at Groupon, at Target, Gap, whatever you do. There are a lot of these. So if you do some shopping online, if you want to do that, if you like to do that, if you do it often, if you spend a lot of money by doing shopping online, you would profit from using this app alone. But I'm gonna show you how you can make money with this with no investment. Only investment is a little bit of your time. Now, as you can see right here under this tab, work with us, you have affiliate section, guys, and that's what we're gonna do for this strategy. We're gonna affiliate for this website, and it is very, very easy. Very good, guys, and it's very profitable, guys. And as you can see here, what to expect from these guys. As you can see, you can get $2 per referred registration. So you're gonna get $2 only for registration, guys. So for example, if you just refer your mom, for example, and she goes and makes herself an account here, you're gonna get $2 just for that. Now, how crazy is that? Next on, you invite your aunt or your uncle and they sign up and you get $2 more per each one. Now you can invite all of your friends and family here, and you can then start inviting people from the internet, and I'm gonna show you which people like websites like these. And let me just show you these supported retailers. They are a lot. These guys work with a lot of partners. They have a wide variety of selection, as you can see, Adidas, Under Armour, so whatever you want, there is something for everyone here, and you're gonna profit off of it. Now for start, I just want you to come on this webpage and just click here on Become an Affiliate, guys, and just take a look at this. You get $2 per registration, guys. Now that's for start. Whenever someone comes through your affiliate link and gets registered on this website by entering their username, their email address, and a password, you get $2 for yourself. Now, that's crazy, guys. If only 50 people come, you get $100. Now, how easy is that? But now look at this. This is something else. For each extension that they download, you get $2 more, guys. Now, that's $2 more. Now, if each person downloads extension once they sign up on this website, you will get $2 more. Now that's $4 per each person, guys. And now just look at this. If they download Android app on their device as well, you will get $2 more, guys. Now that's $6 for you out of one person. Only one person, guys, here. So if they opt for Android or iOS app, that's $2 more for you. So that's $6 for each person, guys, and it can be done in like 6 minutes. So that's $6 for use every 6 minutes, guys. How crazy this is. Now look at this. If you get $6 every 6 minutes, guys, that means you will get $60 for 1 hour, right? $60 each hour, guys, and times times 24 hours in a day, now you can get a lot of money, guys. A lot of money is in here, and you have to take this opportunity. As you can see, extension download $2, Ibotta iOS or Android app $2, and you get $2 per registration only. Now that's crazy, guys. I highly advise that you do this and just come here and enter your first name, last name, email address, confirm email address, username, password, complete this simple information about yourself, and that's it. It is very easy. Just complete this simple information about yourself and lead these people here. You will get a lot of money, guys. As you can see, this agreement here will get you paid. You get $2 per each order, guys, and that's crazy. A lot of money is here. You can be very, very profitable. And now look at this, you can even scale it. You can get some bonuses of $20, $25, $50, $100, $200, and $500 bonuses. So these guys are not stopping there. They're not stopping there, guys. They scale it even further as if this wasn't enough. It's great, guys. It's really great. It's really profitable. You can make a lot of money by using this. And as you can see, we track everything. You will get paid on registrations, and that's crazy, guys. Just look at this. If you were a part of our old affiliate program, you would know that we would pay off activations. $2 for each activation, guys. Now, how crazy this is. And now I want to show you one website where you will find traffic for that affiliate link of yours, and this is Penny Saver. As you can see, this is over at pennysaverusa.com, and here people come to find something to save their pennies, as the name suggests. So they are trying to find certain websites, certain discounts, certain cashback sites, and this website is what they are looking for, guys. We're gonna lead them here, and since they are looking for it, they just need someone to show them the way, and that's gonna be you and me. Just click here on place free ad, guys, and that's all you have to do. You have to make ad for this website. You have to add title over here. You have to add description, and you will place this ad over here, and that's gonna be a little investment from your side, but don't worry, guys. As you were able to see, there is high payout. Each registration is gonna get you paid, and that's crazy. People don't have to buy anything. They just have to come and register, and you're earning money from that only. And this is exactly how you are gonna set this up, guys. Just click here and enter title something like this: save $10 on your first purchase, free cashback option. That's gonna lead people to here. And this description is very important, guys. You have to put something like this: if you're shopping on a daily basis, then you must use this app. It's gonna save you over 10% on each purchase you make. Free to download and free to sign up. Now, this is the most important part, guys. It's free to download and it's free to sign up. That's what's gonna lead people there, because it is free, and you will just write, you can check it out here, and you will put your affiliate link over here, and that's it. They will click on it, and you will get $2 per each person if they only register. And why wouldn't they register if it's free to download and free to sign up, guys? It's a no-brainer for them, and you are gonna get $2 because these people say so. Every registration gets you $2, and that's what's perfect about this website. That's what makes these guys money makers. That's all it takes, guys, for you to get these $2 off of each person you refer. And they won't have to buy anything, just register, and that's your money, guys. Now go out there, take this super action, grab this opportunity, and I'll catch you later.